pussycat. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch me, pussycat. Whoa, 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 whoa. Pussycat, pussycat, I love you. Yes, I do. You and your pussycat knows.
So here we are at Dustin's. We got his yard looking like a RV park. Chunky over there next to Bunky's trailer. I probably won't park here. Somebody's hooting down the street. But yeah, we got in this morning. We're all set up. We're gonna go in and let the doggums have a potty break. Dustin and Courtney are at work. How's Chunky?
Still chunky.
Set the first. No, he used the laser pointer on him when we had him. Right up the wall. Ooh, nope, here comes the other one. Oh!
Baby missed that. How'd you just run up the wall?
And they're making more than $15 million.
Do it again.
Sophie, you get some air, buddy.
Dustin, come here. Dustin, come here, quick, come here.
There's Courtney's head out of the way first.
Opie gets some air.
Why is it acting funny?
Battery's about dead.
He said,
You have AAA? Oh, I don't think I do.
Oh!
Yeah, it's acting funny.
No, it was your vape.
On the outlet.
yes, we get to try. Mac thinks he's a cat.
Natural absorption.
Mac is actually chasing the damn thing.
Oh, yeah, Mac will taste it.
Will he climb the wall?
Oh!
You won't get my TV for it. I'll buy you a new one. This is worth it.
Mackie, you're goofy.
What we're building and show vehicles and really nice restorations.
See, Mac's smart, but he's stupid. He's watching your hand.
Probably our best entry for the Battle of the Wilderness. This year we stepped away from the traditional color, a little different, but this one looks like a C10. Originally we had planned to build a
I got dizzy for a second.
Oh no, I got tar going so good one day. He slammed into the wall. Shine it up there for Leo.
I think we got something a little different. You get to the back, you're not running out of cool stuff to look at. It's perfect. You got a real one that's front, tastefully done.
Oh, he was trying to bite it.
Leo's staying out of the way.
Get him running, Dustin. See if he'll jump the wall.
Right now, lot is lot 1093 in 1973.
Oh, I think he knows to stop the wall on his tail or his back.
No one said Jack Russell was smart.
Poor Gideon would break a hip if he tried.
Yeah. Get him scaling the curtains. You're going to get him in trouble. Okay, lie down.
Oh, no.
Told you you're going to get him in trouble. That's your son.
Gertie, you do me a favor.
What?
Chunky's trying to get the cat in trouble.
How do we hang that curtain rod? Oh my god, that would be so fucking hilarious. If Leo did it, the fucking thing would be
Pretty color.
Do not be ready.
I think Cody would pee himself.
What, Leo? I'd get you a new curtain rod. It'd be fucking worth it. He's still got a claw on the bottom.
Uh-oh. Opie's looking at it. Uh-oh. Opie.
That's enough.
You're gonna get him in trouble.
I gotta stop before he gets back. That's enough. I don't want to have to hang curtains tonight. You know what I'm trying to do. Mm-hmm. I'll probably regret it.
Oh, you little bastard!
Did you get clawed?
Yeah.
He's
Ozzy, you won't sleep outside tonight.
Remember you were trying to get
No. 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 Ozzy. I feel you. He's like.
I see his claws.
Ozzy. He's trying to bite me.
Look at his eyes.
Ow, Ozzy.
Send him after your toes. You're laughing too hard.
Nobody's put in any offers. If we don't sell the house in 30 days, we'll lose everything.
I'm going crazy. I'm feeling bad.
Need to add that wow factor.
Little guy doesn't want to get involved.
You have a fire.
Okay, he's done again.
Plus warm prices.
Huh?
I say second that the back tires work real quick.
Only at Olive Garden. See? Don't blame him.
You're getting him in trouble. You got him in trouble. That's don't do it around his face.
Oh, I'm really tip.
Come here. See?
Why did he stop?
Oh, prick. You think I'm not looking at my mom?
He knows her his bread is buttered.
At Southern New Hampshire,
He just barely touches me.
that's why we're keeping our tuition the same through the year 2021.
Yeah, you little prick.
It was the place for me when I saw how affordable it was.
You gotta move it around to keep him in. That one was not provoked. No, don't do it. I don't want to replace. No, I don't want to replace his curtains today. It's not me.
They cut the airflow down.
Okay, let's stop with this curtains.
They're having words. Ooh. Wasn't me. Wasn't me. I said it wasn't me. That noise. Nothing. Nothing. I didn't. Nothing. No, the kids were fighting. Look at the eyes. Say bye to everybody. Say bye.